Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out these under sink organizer shelves by Trusthere. Let's unbox this and see what we can find inside. Everything's wrapped nicely in plastic, organized nicely, fitting in there great. So let's go through each of these. In this first one, we're going to find the different poles for building it. We're going to find the rubber stabs, and that's one of the shelves itself. One of the bottom larger shelves, so you can see how it moves. The other top shelf, and the other bottom shelf with the instructions there and the packing list. Alright, so let's assemble this here. We are going to see that there's an L there if you want to put it on the left side. That's where you're going to put the poles. Otherwise, you put the poles on the right side. There's two different sizes of poles. This first one, we're going to do the taller ones. They just push in nicely, and you're going to feed the top through as well, just pushing it in nice and firm until it can't go any further. You're going to notice that there's a bracket on the top and the bottom. That just keeps the drawer from sliding right off of this plate there. Then you're going to put the anti-slip tabs in the very bottom there, and that just keeps it obviously from falling in and out. With this one, we're going to put it on the right side, so I'm putting those poles in the opposite of the L, and again they just feed right in. These are the smaller poles. Push them in until they're nice and firmly in there, flip it over, and you can put those anti-slip tabs in the bottom there as well. Here you can see the size difference between the two. The larger are 14 inches tall, the smaller are 12.4 inches tall, giving you a couple different options. You'll see that the bottom shelf is wider than the top. That gives it more support, and it also allows you to put tall things on the sides of those and fit those in there. So here you can see it there, full of stuff. We're going to slide these shelves in and out there. You can see how much stuff it can actually fit. Each of those are sliding quite nicely there. Nothing's really moving around too much. Here you can see it all together in the bottom of the sink. And here's just a different arrangement of a few other things instead, kind of moving a few things around. And looking at it in the sink, you can really customize it and make it look really nice. It fits in really well, makes things look really organized. Here's one in our bathroom. The one just fit in this one, so I just put one in there. It really organized and cleaned that up. So this will fit in your kitchen, in your bathroom, and really anywhere you want to organize things for your shelves. So thank you for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on Brian Sloan Artist.